Simba! Simba, guess what? Guess what? You have 9,600 fans. What? Say I love you. Say it. Come on. You love them. Yeah, you do. Good boy. Sophia, did you have fun at Grandma's? You want to tell me about it? You want to tell me all about it? What did Grandma do? Did she give you lots of treats and spoiled you? Did you have fun at Grandma's? Did you have lots of fun? So much fun. So much fun. Yeah.
I don't want to hear none of that bullshit you be jacking out here in the streets, you heard? Nah, I don't give a fuck if your friends think it's cool. It's not you're not doing it in this house, you heard me?
Hello, Penny.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
Oh, that's good.
You?
I'm good.
Good.
I have bad news.
What?
Well, I have to go and I'm really, really sorry.
Fine.
Bye.
Kona! Who you calling? Who you calling, Kona? What?
Mom says I'm the reason she can't have nice things. All because I tracked a little mud into the house.
Dear Diary, the cat is a curious, magical creature. It's as if a teddy bear mated with a cactus, and it's much less fun to play with than it would appear. And yet it poops delicious candy into a box of pea-flavored sprinkles.
What is it? What's wrong, baby? What's wrong? What do you have to say, baby? What is it? What the fuck? What was that?
Say it in English now.
Man. Go to your spot. Sit down. All the way down. Stay. Stay. No. See. Oh, you took the words right out of my mouth. Sit. 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 Shh. Oh, we're not gonna start again, dog. Good girl. See, I love you. Okay.